Okay. So in this period, we will do the question E of
Yes, sir.
exercise 10.3. Okay. Let others also join. We will start in just 1 minute.
Good morning, sir. Adhiraj Sharma present.
Sir, in E question, we have to write the questions also.
No, beta, you have to just write the answers, not the questions.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Just wait for a minute. Let everyone join. Very few students are there in the meeting, only 11.
Sir, who is this AHIRAAJ Sharma?
Sorry, who is what? Ahiraj Sharma. Okay. There is
Sir, please spelling. Sir, I forgot to write D. Sir, rename.
Acha, rename it.
Sir, now it's
Sir, one day Adhiraj has written his name.
Fine.
Sir, one day Adhiraj has written his name Yudhishthir Sharma.
I didn't wrote it. I didn't wrote it. I never wrote it.
Okay, all of you remain
Yes,
quiet.
you have wrote in science period.
Okay, everyone remain quiet. We are starting now. So E exercise we have to start in this period. First question. Yeah, Rishika, can you please read the question? First question for me.
Yes, sir, sure. Manu went
Wait,
for
wait, wait, wait,
shopping
wait,
and
wait,
bought.
wait.
Okay,
Others,
sir.
please be quiet.
Manu went. Oh, okay, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, Rishika, read the question.
Manu went for shopping and bought a pencil costing rupees 4.56 and a ruler costing rupees 5.78. How much did he spend altogether rounded off to the nearest rupees?
I hope you all have understood the question. It is very simple.
Yes,
Manu,
sir.
Yes.
I only read and I only don't understand.
Manu, yeah. Let me explain the question. Manu went to.
Sir, I understand.
Let me explain the
Sir,
question.
and
Be quiet and listen.
nearest hundreds. We have to
Be quiet and listen, all of you. So, what is this given? The question is Manu went to a shop and he bought two things. He bought a pencil and he bought a ruler. Okay. So, you will have to first find the total cost, the total amount that he has to pay to the shopkeeper. That means you have to add the two numbers. And after adding the two numbers, you have to round off to the nearest rupee. That means you have to round off to the nearest whole number. पैसे वाला जो part है that you have to ignore. Ignore the decimal part and write the answer in whole number. Okay, so first you add
not
after
show
adding
us.
add the two numbers first, then I will tell what to do. With the help of statements, you will do this. Okay, write these statements, add the two numbers, and in the end, what you have to do, I will tell you. Start doing.
I got the answer. Sir, but I have done it in rough notebook first. As a, by mistake, I can write.
Do it in your fair copy.
Sir, I'm not able to understand. Sir, I'm not able to understand that. What is the last line saying? How much did he spend altogether, rounded off to the nearest rupee?
You first add the numbers, and in the end, what you have to do, I will tell you. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have added it.
Don't forget to write these statements. Do the question with proper
Yes,
statement.
sir.
The number and written the statement. So then the addition with the statement.
Okay, very good.
Sir, done the addition with the addition. Oh, sorry, with segment.
Yeah. Question in first part. So he bought two things. Total amount to be paid. Paid is equal to rupees 4.
Sir, can we write our own statement?
Yes, you can write your own statements also. No problem in that. I'm sure that you can write correct statements. 5.78.
I had written cost of a pencil is equals to this, cost of a ruler is equals to this. Then I have done addition and then written total amount is equals to
Sir,
this.
like this also I have only written.
Okay.
Sir, I
like
have written
this
a pencil costed and a ruler costed.
Yeah, that is correct. So when you add the two numbers, you get 4.
Sir, I have written cost of a pencil and cost of a ruler.
13.110. 10.34. Now the sum is 10.34, but we have to find the answer in the nearest whole number, nearest rupee. Now this is the decimal part, this is the paise. Now how many, if I ask you how many rupees and how many paise the child has to pay, how many rupees he has to pay?
Rupees 10. Rupees 10 is the answer. 10 rupees is the
Rupees
answer.
10.
And
10
rupees
and
35 paise.
34 paise. This is 34 paise. 10 rupees
34 paise.
But you have to round off.
Sir, 10 rupees 34 paise.
So when you round off to nearest rupee, so you look at the first digit after decimal. That means you have to round off to nearest whole number. Okay, जो आपने question A में जो किया था 10 point
Have to round off to nearest
whole number.
100 or 10.
Nearest whole number, round off to nearest whole number. Okay, so 10.34. Look at this. You have to do something like this. 10.34 is a number which lies between two whole numbers, 10
present.
and 11. It is a number which lies between two whole numbers, 10 and 11. So what should be your answer? The digit, first digit after decimal that you are removing is 3. 3 is less than 5. So this is wrong, this is correct. So answer is rupees 10 is to be paid.
Sir, now also I didn't understand.
What is the thing that you have not understood?
Sir, I have not understand the sum addition apart.
Sorry? Addition you have not
Sir, I
understood?
don't understand after the addition that you have
Sir,
done right now.
we understood after addition.
Sir, I have understand everything.
Okay, listen, I am explaining the question again. There is a boy, his name is Manu, boy or girl maybe. Manu is a name which
Sir, I understood everything.
boys as well as girls. So Manu went to a shop and bought two things. One pencil for rupees 4.56 and one ruler for rupees 5.78. इतने rupees का ruler. So total amount that the child has to pay to the shopkeeper is, you add the two numbers, so it becomes 10 rupees 34 paise or 10.34. अब you have to round off, या तो 10 rupees देगा या 11 rupees देगा. 34 पैसे कौन देगा बताइए आप. Can you pay 34 paise to the shopkeeper?
Okay, sir, I have understood.
So either you will pay.
Sir, he would give 10 rupees.
Either
Sir,
you,
he will give 10 rupees.
you will give
Okay,
10
sir.
rupees
Now I
or 11
understood.
rupees. Okay. 34 paisa you cannot give to the shopkeeper. So either you will pay 10 or 11. So rupees 10.34 in this, when you convert it in nearest rupee, so this number 10.34 is nearer to 10 as compared to 11. 10 के ज़्यादा पास में है. So you will pay rupees 10, not 11. Now understood? Everyone understood?
Sir, can we do second one?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, start doing the second one. Everyone.
Okay, sir. So,
Yes.
I have written cost of a pencil is equal to rupees 4.50 rupees 4.56 paise. Then cost of a ruler rupees 5.78 paise. Then total cost is equal to rupees 10.34 paise. Then nearest rupee rupees 10.
Correct. Correct.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I do the second word problem?
Yes, start doing the second one.
Sir, like in second question it is written a bottle contains 45.78 liters of water and another jug contains 38.65 liters of water. Find the total amount of water and round it up to the nearest. So we have when we will do the then we have to do the nearest liter. So sir, we have to do it for 1000, nearest 1000.
No. Like you did in the last question, इसमें भी आप you have to remove the decimal part. पिछले question में आपने decimal part remove कर दिया था पूरा. Same thing you have to do here also. Remove the decimal part. Okay. I can see some of the students using features of Zoom. They are making their pictures black and white, I think. Or is it changing the colors?
Sir, what happened to my laptop? I don't know. From sir morning, it is changing the virtual backgrounds again and again.
Sorry.
Sir, I am saying that sir, I don't know what happened to my laptop. That sir, it is changing its color every time, and sir, sometimes it's blank.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, the answer will be 84.
Adhiraj, there must be a virus.
Answer is, let me see. The answer is 70 and
Sir, the answer of the second one is 84.
40.
Yes, sir. That's only I'm asking. The answer is 84.
Yeah, it's 84.
Okay, sir. Now I understood. Mine is correct.
Very good.
Sir, then the second one.
Very good.
Sir, what statement should I write?
Sir, done second one too.
Water
contained in bottle and water contained in jug.
35.78 liters of water and another jug contains 38.65 liters of water. Find the total amount of water and round it off to nearest liter. Amount of water in a bottle equal to 45.78 liter. This is your first statement.
Sir, and third, we have to only round up with 100 now.
Sir, I have done second. Can we do third?
Yes.
Okay.
Second statement of question 2, you can write amount of
Amount-
water
Of water in another jug.
in the jug equals to 38.65 liters. And then finally, total amount of water equal to 45.78 plus 38.65. Like this, you can write down the statements.
Sir, is the third answer 500?
A bird sanctuary has 458 species of birds. Round the number of birds to the nearest 100. Correct. Third one was very easy. कुछ नहीं करना है.
Yes, sir, it is easy. All are easy, I think.
Nearest 100 में round off करना है. 500 is the answer. In the third one.
Yes.
Sir, done third.
Very good. Do you want me to do the second one on the board? Anyone? Need any help?
No,
in-
sir.
No, sir.
But sir, I have a query.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, I can't understand fourth one.
Fourth one. The boy क्यों बोलते हैं? ये a boy बोलना चाहिए. A boy reached home 7:37 p.m. The boy तो ऐसे बोलने का कोई
I'm
particular.
not able to understand photo.
A boy reached home at 7:37 p.m. Round this to the nearest 5 minutes. Okay. अभी बताते हैं बेटा. I will help you out in the fourth one. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Let others do second.
So
Third.
till then, what should I do?
Wait.
Okay, sir.
Let everyone do second and third. Then
Sir, the answer of fourth one will be 740, as we have to nearest 5 minutes. Means after 5, 37 is nearest.
let me tell you, beta, it will be 7:35. Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. Answer will be 7:35.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
but how?
Sir, but how?
Just wait, I will tell you.
Oh,
Let-
sir, it is asking round
Excuse
this
me,
to
sir.
the nearest 5 minutes. So it is
Sir, I
nearby.
have-
37 is nearby 35. So the answer
Okay,
will
sir,
be
that's
35.
right.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, is my reason correct? Because
Yes.
it is asking of 5 minutes.
Your reason is absolutely correct.
Sir, I want to
Okay,
ask
sir, but
something.
then I
Sir,
had written a
how-
boy reached home at 7:37 p.m. Now what should I write after it? I'm not able to.
7:35.
Sir, sir, in second question, sir, how to know that we have to round off of what?
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, understood. No problem, sir. Sir, I understood.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I can understand the fourth question, but how we write the sentence?
Nothing.
Yes,
You
sir,
have
that
to
only
just
I'm asking to you.
nothing. You don't have
Sir,
to
in
write
question,
anything. Your answer
sir,
will
in
be
question number
7:37 p.m. rounded off to nearest 5 minutes equal to 7:35 p.m. Plus, this is your statement.
Ma'am, sir, in question number 2, we can write the statements like this: water bottle contain 80 liters and another jug contains 38 liters.
Let me tell you. Amount of
Sir,
water.
I had done.
Amount of water in bottle equal to 45.78 liters. Amount of water in jug equal to 38.65 liters.
Okay, okay, sir. I
Okay, like
understood.
Sir, I can't understand fifth one. And sir, it was like fourth one of C exercise point 10.
wait, beta. Question
sir.
4. Question 4, all of you. I hope you all have done the second and
The
third one.
5 months and
Yes, sir, but I can understand fifth one.
5
Sir,
years.
please Sir, the answer will be 6 years, 4 months.
Sir, please explain
Five
and do question number 3. Sorry, 4.
8,000 minutes.
Question 3, the answer is 500 species of birds. Round off to the nearest 100 करना है आपको 500 आंसर हो जाएगा. Question 3 में
Sir, I am
question
saying
4 we are discussing here. All of you please remain quiet. Only then we will be able to discuss it. Please have some patience. Others don't ask about other questions right now. Let me do question 4 first. If you have any doubts, you can ask afterwards. Let's do question 4. Okay. Question 4. The boy नहीं है, ये a boy है. Mistake. हर बार ये ऐसी करते हैं. इस बुक में बहुत सारी mistakes हैं. A boy reached home at 7:37 p.m. Okay. Round this to the nearest 5 minutes. So you have to round out the time. 7:37 p.m. rounded off. This is how you can write this statement. Rounded off to the nearest 5 minutes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the answer of second one?
Answer of second one is 84 liters.
Okay, sir.
So all of you please pay attention. I am explaining you the question 4. So you all must have seen a clock. This you don't have to make. आपको ये अपनी कॉपी में नहीं बनाना है. This is just for your explanation. Okay. So clock में you all must have seen that there is 6, 12, 3, 9,
9,
and there are numbers like 7, 7, 8,
8,
10, 11, 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
4, 6,
Okay.
5.
So 7:37 per the hour hand is pointing at 7. Hour hand points at 7, but the minute hand is a little ahead of 7. 7 से थोड़ा आगे बढ़ जाता है. So can you tell me the minute hand at 7:35? The minute hand points at which number? 7:35.
7:35.
7:30.
7:35.
7:38. Sir, 7:38. 7:37. 7:37.
मेरी बात सुनो बेटा. आंसर देने से पहले सुनो क्वेश्चन ध्यान से. आई एम आस्किंग 7:35 जब टाइम होता है तो मिनट हैंड कौन से नंबर पे पॉइंट करता है? 7 पे. And 7:40 at 7:40 the minute hand points at वेरी गुड. यू ऑल नो दिस. सबको वॉच देखना आती है, क्लॉक और वॉच देखना आता है, टाइम देखना आता
Yes, sir.
है. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this at 7:37 क्या होगा? The minute hand will be between 7 and 8. Am I right or not? दोनों के बीच में होगा.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन किसके ज्यादा पास
Yes,
में होगा?
sir.
7 के ज्यादा पास होगा या 8 के ज्यादा पास होगा?
Sir, 7
7, sir, 7, 7.
नहीं sir, 8 के.
7 के बेटा, 7 के ज्यादा पास होगा. Because
Sir,
7:37.
7 के ज़्यादा पास होगा.
7:37, yes, 7 के ज्यादा पास.
Yes, sir.
7:35 के बाद क्या टाइम होता है? 7:36. Then it is 7:37. Then it is 7:38. Then 7:39. और उसके बाद आता है 7:40.
किसी का आया था.
7:40. Okay. So this number
Yes, sir.
7:37. ये 7:35 के ज्यादा पास में है या 7:40 के ज्यादा पास में है? किसके ज्यादा पास है? 7:35 के. Am I right or not? Am I right?
sir.
This number
Excuse
7:35.
me, sir.
sir.
This near to 7:35. So this is what you have to do.
Sir,
You have to find round
sir,
off
I
your
want
time
to.
to the nearest 5 minutes. What is your answer? 7:35 p.m. 7:35 p.m. will be your answer. Clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask something about third question.
बेटा सुनो मेरी बात. कौन है ये? आयुष्मान है? कौन है?
Yes, sir. Ayushman.
बेटा सुनो मेरी बात है. जब टीचर कोई क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं तो you should wait for the teacher to complete the question. Only then you should ask your problem. मैं already a question explain किया and you're asking about some other question.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Got it?
Sorry, sir.
So have you all understood 7:35 p.m. is the answer? All of you got it? Are you all able to listen to me? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I can understand.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was just for your explanation. You don't have to write down anything like this. Don't write in your copy.
Something in chat.
Okay, now Ayushman, what is your problem in the third one?
Sir, I can't understand the third.
Something.
You have 458 is the number in question 3. इसको you
Sir, we have to
round off-
simply
round off and nearest 100. So
Will
500.
be 7:35 p.m.
Round off the number
Sir,
to nearest 100.
Sir, simply we have get the answer 500.
Yes, 500 is your answer simply.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, now
Question
please
five.
show how to do fifth one.
Question 5, everyone. A house is exactly 6 years, 4 months and 10 days old. कितना old है house? House की भी age होती है क्या? पहली बार देख रहा हूँ मैं तो house की age होती है. A house is exactly 6 years, 4 months, 10 days old. So round it off to the number of months and number of years. Arey, it is easy. So in a month, how many days are there?
Sir, 30 or 31.
Sir, 30.
31.
So the statements you will write on your own. I am just explaining you the concept of the question. Can you all write these statements on your own?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I understand the question.
Can you all write these statements on your own?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Explaining the concept of the question. 6 years, 4 months,
Sir, I will send you something in
10
chat
days.
box.
Beta, now you tell me how many days are there in a month?
Sir, 30 or 31.
30 or 30.
Generally, we take as 30 days. Generally, we take as 30 days in a month.
Okay.
Okay. What is the half of 30? 30 का half क्या होता है?
15.
15 days. 15
Sir,
days.
15.
15 days is the half.
15.
लैपटॉप की आवाज कम करो यार
10 is less than 15 or more than 15?
कहाँ है यार आवाज का ऑप्शन ये
It's less than
बांदर नीचे हो
15.
थोड़ा
Answer will be 6 years, 4 months will be your answer. आपको इसको nearest month में round off करना है. So 6 year 4 months. Because 10 is smaller than 15. Half of 30 कितना होता है 15 and 10 days is less than 15. अगर 15 days से ज्यादा होते तो हम इसको 6 years 5 months बोल देते. So if I ask you, this is my question to you all. If it is like this, 6 years 4 months. चलो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. This is my question. 6 year 4 months and 21 days. So if you have to round off to nearest months.
5 months. 5 months.
6 years,
This is-
6 years, 5 months.
Yeah. So 21 is more than 15. Half से ज़्यादा हो गई है. Half से
Yes.
ज़्यादा. So your answer will be 6 years 5 months. In this case, 6 year 5 months. But in the question given, your answer is 6 years 4 months. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir. Got
Okay. Start doing it with the statements. Write proper statements and then.
Sir, done. Sir, done. Can I send my work on the group?
Sir, what
Sir,
should I
can I
write first?
send the work on the group?
Yes, you can take pictures and send it on the group.
Sir, what should I write first statement?
Statement you can write 6 years 4 months 10 days rounded off to the nearest month equal to. Achha, both the things you have to do. Listen, all of you. You have to do 2 things in the question. All of you.
Yes, sir.
We have done
Sir.
only
That's
half
why
of the
the answer is coming 6 years and 4 months.
You have to do 2 things in the question. You have to round off to nearest months also and nearest years also. In a year, how many months are there?
12 months.
12
12
months.
months.
और 12 का half
12 months.
12 का half 6.
I am putting it on the board. I will do the whole question on the board. All of you write down the question. Do it like this.
Sir, we have to write the question.
Don't write the question. Just do the solution like this. 6 years, 4 months, 10 days. This was the question. Now you can write rounded off to nearest months. Rounded off to nearest months. So your answer will be 6 years, 4 months. Now if you have to round off to nearest years, rounded off to nearest years में भी round off करना है. Rounded off to nearest years. Then your answer should be 6 years only. आपको nearest years में round off करना है. Then your answer will be 6 years. Only 6 years. Okay. So what you will say? You will say that the house is 6 years old. Because 4 months is less than half of the months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year.
12 months.
और 12 का half क्या होता है? 6. 6 months. And 4 months, ये 6 से छोटे हो गए. This is less than 6.
Yes.
So your answer will be 6 years. अगर इस 6 months से ज्यादा होते तो हमारा आंसर क्या होता?
6 years.
6 months से ज्यादा.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I cannot understand the round off to the nearest months.
Round off to the nearest months. This is 10 days.
Yes.
10 days है ये. 10 days is
Okay, sir.
less than. In a month there are 30 days.
Yes, sir.
There are 30 days. 10 days यानी कि half of 30 कितना होता है? 15. So 10 days is less than 15 days. So this is less than 15 days. So whenever in a month there are less than 15 days, you will round off to the previous number of months.
Okay, sir.
So,
Okay, sir.
Sir, I had
Okay,
sent
sir.
you my work on the group. Can you please see?
yeah, just wait.
Sir, today I enjoyed a lot all math classes.
There were three periods of math.
There were
Yes, sir.
total 3 math classes.
We have completed this chapter.
Sorry, beta.
So why the answer come 6 years?
Round off to nearest years. There are two parts of the question. पहले आपको round off to nearest month करना था. Now you round off to nearest years. If you have missed the part because of any reason, you can see the recording because the time is about to end.
Okay, sir.
Sir, today we have completed this
Sir.
chapter.
Yes, sir. Sir, now which chapter will start next?
Rishika, I have seen your work. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Sir, now
Sir,
which
now
chapter
which
is most difficult in the math
Monday?
book that is left?
There is no chapter which is difficult. कोई भी chapter difficult नहीं है. All are.
Sir, I think profit and loss
Sir,
is the
I want
difficult
Sir,
chapter.
I want to start profit and
No,
loss.
profit and loss is a easy chapter, but we have not done it.
Yes, sir. Sir, let us start profit and loss next.
We will do all this.
Sir, I have also done the profit and
We
loss in
will
tuitions.
decide this in the next class. Okay, so thank you for today, all of you. We had three
Sir,
Okay,
papers.
bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you.
sir.
Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
sir.
We enjoyed
Have
the
a
class
nice
a lot.
day.
bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Class.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye.